With your cursor at the top of the file, click on Proof, Configure Hyphenation, then click on the Configure tab and click on the Allow Auto Hyphenation checkbox. Now click OK. With your cursor at the top of the file, click on Format, Paragraph, Paragraph again, then click on the Alignment tab, and there click on the Justify checkbox. Then click OK. With your cursor at the top of the file, click on Format, Paragraph, Paragraph again, click on the Spacing tab, and check the automatic line spacing. Then click OK. To set the spacing both within and between citations, click on Format, Footnotes, or Endnotes, and apply the required line spacing settings. Click on Layout, Spacing, make sure Automatic is checked, and that there's blank line spacing between the paragraphs, between the notes, as you need to have. Click OK, and click OK again.